Hi guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. Today I'm going to make some spicy chicken salad. Something I can bring for lunch all week and I don't have to do a lot in the mornings, so be ready to go. So I got a rotisserie chicken at the grocery store. Oh, I need to grab a bowl. Okay. So I grabbed a rotisserie chicken at the grocery store this morning. It's been sitting here cooling off, so it's not hot. And I'm just gonna take all the skin off and put all the meat. I'm gonna break it up a little bit, put it in a bowl. Okay, I got the chicken all shredded up and deboned, and I got the skin off, so I'm gonna save the bones for whenever we make chicken stock again. So now I just gotta add in the rest. So I got a bell pepper in here and 1 stalk of celery. And then 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And this is the mayonnaise we made in the last video. I'm going to go ahead and do 4. And then a tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use fresh lemon juice if you want, but I don't feel like cutting up a lemon. And then 2 to 3 teaspoons of Tabasco sauce. And if my Tabascos would ever turn red, we can make some homemade Tabasco sauce together. But they're still between yellow and orange. So, all that, and then we just mix it up. And there, I got lunch for 2 or 3 days anyways. So, hope you try it and let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.